Welcome to my channel, Learn English with Pamar. Hey, I had the most confusing experience while shopping today.
Really? What happened?
I was looking for a specific brand of shampoo, and there were so many different variations on the shelf. I couldn't figure out which one I usually buy.
Oh, I hate when that happens. Did you eventually find the right one?
Yeah, after standing there for what felt like an eternity, I finally recognized the familiar bottle. But it got me thinking, why do they have to make it so complicated with all these new versions?
I had a similar experience in the toothpaste section. I was trying to buy a simple toothpaste, and there were so many options: whitening, sensitive, anti-cavity, and the list goes on. I just stood there staring at the toothpaste aisle like I was in some kind of dental maze.
It's like they want us to spend hours just choosing what to put in our carts. And the worst part is, when you finally make a decision, you're not even sure if you made the right one.
Right. And the prices, don't get me started on that. I was comparing prices on two different coffee brands, and I ended up standing there with a calculator, trying to figure out which one was the better deal.
The struggle is real. I thought shopping was supposed to be a simple task, but now it's a mental workout.
True. We need a shopping strategy, or some sort of guide to navigate through the confusion.
Or maybe a shopping buddy to help us make decisions. Someone who can say, just grab that one, it's good.
That would be a game changer. Let me know if you find one of those shopping buddies, and I'll join you.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and don't miss to press the bell icon.